picnic on the beach?
I don't know why do people picnic on the beach.
Because of all the sand which is there.
When you smile